Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So my tutorial today is going to be a little different. We made my granddaughter a lemonade stand. You know, I had to hook her up, so I made everything here. I made her some chocolate cover, Rice Krispies, and some taffy candy, and then she has homemade lemonade. She does not know about this. We are surprising her. She should be pulling up here any minute. So I just wanted to share with you guys real quick what we did for her. Her mommy made her a sign. It just keeps falling. We have waters, and we have a couple things here for her to have her own little lemonade stand. So I hope you guys like it. I think it came out pretty cool. As you see, I put my little lemon pieces that we made before on the tutorial. And also, hubby made the lemonade, which is her grandpa. He made the lemonade for her, homemade. We got waters, we got a little bit of everything. So I'm excited for her to get here, for her to be surprised and see her little lemonade stand that I made. I'll post pictures up later on and show you guys. So I'll be back in a little bit with her. Hello everyone, I'm back. So here's my granddaughter with her lemonade stand. Say hi to everybody. She loved it. So she's making some good money out here, guys. So I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of what I did for her. Comment down below if you guys think it turned out pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.